one of the importance of Group 2, and our topic is all about MICE in August, under Chapter 2. So first is, what is MICE? So MICE is a segment of tourism industry focusing on business-related travel and events. So these events are designed to bring professionals together for networking, learning, and business opportunities. So we all know MICE, a concept. MICE stands for meetings, incentives, conventions, and exhibitions. So all of these are business-related events that help business owners to connect with each other. Example of this is like exhibition and meetings. And also, MICE concept, as a future event planners and organizers, we need to know this MICE concept for us to be knowledgeable on how to deal with different business-related clients, I mean business-related personnel that have a connection with other business that will connect to other businesses. That is the MICE concept.
So once again, good afternoon everyone. My task today is to discuss the meetings. So meetings are normally held in locations where participants are grouped to address something related to the organization. An example of this are companies introducing their new products, discussing their business strategies, and like this can be in conference rooms, hotels, or other meeting centers. Typically, these are single-day activities, but some may go up to 3 days, meeting within the premises of an organization, though are not included in this category. So, in hotels, most of their clients having a meeting are corporations or big companies. In most cases, corporate meetings are done any of the following. First is we have the strategic planning. Second is product and service planning. The third is new initiative announcement. The fourth, we have brainstorming. The fifth is expectation settings. And the last is we have corporate training. So aside from corporations, some associations may also have a meeting in hotels or other function rooms intended for their officers. Although maybe in small number, their patronage to meetings facilities is an important factor for the growth of the event industry.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my assigned topic is incentive travel. So incentive travels are company-paid trips given to employees, groups, or partners as a reward for excellent performance. These trips often reward hotels aim to motivate employees and build loyalty. So incentive travels are a type of reward that companies give to employees to perform really well at their job. Instead of just giving cash, cash bonuses or certificates, companies sometimes offer a vacation or trip to a nice place like resort or hotel paid for by the company. So the main goal for incentive travel are to motivate employees to continue doing excellent work, to recognize and appreciate their efforts. Number 3 is build loyalty, so employees feel valued and stay with the company. So this trips can be given to individuals, teams, or even business partners, depending on who is being rewarded.
This is continuation of incentive travels. So into this generation, rewarding employees for their good performance is already the common thing in companies, especially bigger organizations where performance matters to them. So like, for example, ang imong employee ka na magtrabaho siya karon. So, may possibility na maka-receive siya of incentive travel. So, with a discussion about can be noted that organization can incentivizing their employees to be able first motivate all employees to perform well. So like encouraging may mohang mga employee to para mahuman ilahang trabahoon or kanang successful ilahang ihimo. So that's why that's like opportunity na ma-promote like that. And second is retaining top performers. So example, competitive salaries or kanang makapilis lang career opportunity or kanang kuan. Another example, ipapilisag sa inyong rivalry. Third is improve organizational working culture or habits. Like for example, behaviors, communication style, or collaboration. Lastly is recognize good performers. I-acknowledge through award, bonuses, or promotion. That's all.
So hello everyone, good afternoon. My topic today is all about convention. So when we say convention, conventions are normally done by organization where purpose is to gather individuals in a big event. And also these are designed for a large corporate group to share knowledge for more than one a day. So there are key members of the organization are included with guest speaker and other participant of the event. So organizations such as the ARMEL, COPREP, and UFT hold their national conventions annually in the different convention facilities. So convention also is this organization are some of the markets of the mice industry in the Philippines. So that is the conventions.
The following are some of the facilities where clients hold their conventions and other big events. First is Philippine International Convention Center. Next is Convention Center, World Trade Center Manila, Cebu International Convention Center, and Baguio Convention Center. Then Cebu Trade Hall. Then last is Mega Trade Hall.
Series RAP and FTE regularly for national convention discussions, activity, innovation, curriculum, development, and industry updates. This event support the MICE meeting, incentive conference, and exhibition. Is that to say by utilizing service from hotel, restaurants, airlines, and travel companies. Educational and corporate activities also use location for international activities like sales, presentation, and student gathering. Commonly, it is the Philippine International Convention Center, XMX Convention Center, and the World Trade Center Manila, among others.
So in exhibition, people can go around, look at different displays, and even buy things. So these events are important because it helps companies promote their product and services, and also employees meet new people and build business connections. And also it can attract media which gives more attention to the product. So exhibitions are a great way for business to be seen, to make sales, and to grow network. That's all.